Hello and welcome to another episode of the Crazy Casey Cotton Technology channel. This will be our last video working on this PC, but there is only so much that can be done to it. In the last episode we were able to get a cheap external GPU up and running. Once we knew it worked, we searched eBay for a cheap upgrade. What we managed to get was this GTX 970. User Benchmark identifies that this is a 252% improvement, so let's get this upgraded. We are upgrading from the GTX 560 to the GTX 970. Now that the 970 has been installed, we are going to run a user benchmark comparison. We've recorded it with no GPU, with the GTX 560 and the GTX 970. Let's see what happens. Just watching the videos shows a clear improvement at each step. The GPU shows as being 44.7% as good as an RTX 2060 Super. As of today, I could buy an RTX 2060 Super for £569. We paid £100, meaning the cost of the GTX 970 was 17.6% the cost of an RTX 2060 Super. This means getting 44.7% of the power for 17.6% of the price is well worth it. As mentioned in the previous episode, we completed a user benchmark test after each upgrade. So let's have a look and see what we have achieved. The first image are the results as it came out of the box. Gaming 1%, desktop 21%, workstation 1%. The graphics was 2.54%. The second set of results are following the memory upgrade from 8GB of RAM to 16. Gaming 1%, desktop 30%, workstation 1%. Graphics 2.71%. The next results are following the CPU upgrade from an i5 4570T to i7 4770K. Gaming 7%, desktop 66%, workstation 7%, graphics 1.33. The next results are for the external GTX 560. Gaming 14%, desktop 74%, workstation 12%, graphics 10.7%. And finally, the GTX 970 results. Gaming 38%, desktop 77%, workstation 32%, graphics 48.7%. Comparing the start to the end shows gaming going from 1% to 38%, desktop going from 21% to 77%, and workstation from 1% to 32%. The graphics have increased from 2.54% to 48.7%. A nice visual indicator is that it has gone from 2 out of 6 green with 4 red to 5 out of 6 green with no reds. Overall, we have made great improvements and it has become a good gaming system. I have also enjoyed getting hands-on with seeing and understanding how computers work. Thank you for coming with me on this journey and keep an eye out for what I have lined up in the future. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.